G'day everyone, we're doing a comparison today. Now you might have seen one of my earlier videos where I bought these vertical strawberry planters, I suppose you'd call them, from Temu, and I quite liked them, so I ended up buying a few of them. Two of them, I think two, I can't remember. They seem to be going okay, but during the Black Friday sales, Maze, which is one of the named brand suppliers of this sort of stuff, did some half-price versions of these. Now, they had a couple of different styles, and I got this one, which is called their Mini. Now, they were half-price, and from memory, it was $19 with free delivery. So, not overly cheap, so I'm expecting they'll be a much higher quality than these ones. But we shall see. All right, let's get him out. And the first thing we notice is that it is only these tubs. There is no wheeled stand or anything on it. Let me just cut the cable tie, if I can, with my blunt knife. And let's have a look. Okay, made in China, made in China. Size-wise, it's a 3-1, like my one out the front, but it looks slightly smaller, and there are 4 of them. So let's have a look at them. Quality, they're a little bit flexible, which is probably good. They have a small lip. This one has a much larger lip, giving it a bit more strength, and these are a bit deeper. So let's put them together. Just separate them. And we'll check it for stability. And there it is there. $19 on special, half price, from Maze. If we compare it to this one, what do we think? Well, in all honesty, this is not much better than this, if at all. This has wheels on it. Okay, the wheels aren't great, but it does allow you to turn it round. This is a 4-stack, that's a 5-stack. The trays are deeper, wider. They'll hold a bit more, so we've got a bit more growing material here. At $19, yeah, I think it's okay. Full price? No, I don't think so. I think you're much better off going to Temu, getting some of these. We'll have to see how they stand up to the light, how UV stable they are. These might be a better plastic. But at the moment, I would say Temu wins. Sorry, Maze guys, a little bit overpriced. Not that much better in quality, if better at all. I think these are actually slightly better because they've got a better lip on there, nicer shape to them, they're textured, nicer colour. Sorry guys, I'm going to go with the Temu ones. What do you people think? You agree with me? Temu ones or the Maze ones? For the price, definitely the Temu. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. And we've got more Maze products coming up soon. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.